My dear students, welcome to our Katyat High School virtual classroom. How are you? Okay, I am fine. Students, my continuous discussion about English grammar. In my last class, I discussed about persuasive speech. Today I am discussing about adjectives. You know that every day we offer our information to each other. For this reason, we should need some of the words based on English, and your information will be clear. Then when you will use all the words will be used based on grammar. So students, my discussion is starting now. I am reading a letter for you. Dear John, writing from my home. I am in Bangladesh. Finally, it's late December. The weather is fantastic. It's not at all humid. The temperature is moderate, in between 26 to 28 degree. Unlike England, there is no rain, no strong wind here. Usually, we have strong sun, but now the sunlight is very soothing. In fact, our winter begins from November and continues till February. January is the coldest month in Bangladesh. The most interesting feature of winter Bangladesh is the country is full of interesting vegetables and delicious pita, a kind of handmade cakes. Many foreigners like Bangladeshi winter as it is milder than the winter in many parts of the world, such as England, Canada, or Russia. Students, you know that the adjectives I read a letter for you. Now I am finding out some of the words from the letter. Suppose late, fantastic, humid, moderate, strong, soothing, most interesting, interesting, delicious, handmade, handmade, many, milder, bigger, nicer, more interesting. I found out all the underlined words from the letter. Students, can you tell me what are they? Late, fantastic, humid, moderate, strong, delicious, handmade, many, milder, bigger, nicer, more interesting, soothing, most interesting, interesting. What are the words in doing? Students, can you tell me? Can anybody tell me what are the words in doing? Okay, my dear students, all the words are in adjective. All the words are in adjective. So, our today's lesson is adjective. Now, I am telling you about some information about the adjectives. All the adjectives used in this letter, from them, some of them before a noun and modify it. Some of the words are completing the sentences. So, we can say that adjectives have three forms. Adjective has three forms. One is positive, number two, comparative, and number three, superlative. So students, now I am explaining all three forms. Positive form, use of adjectives without comparing. In this form, the adjectives be used in the information or any communication, but there are no comparing. Suppose I am giving an example for you. The temperature is moderate. Moderate is an adjective. So there is no comparison. Comparative use of adjectives to compare two things or persons. Here the adjectives are compare. Suppose this time the goats. Suppose I am giving an example. This time the goats are bigger. Bigger and nicer. Nicer than the previous years. Than the previous years. Here the bigger and the nicer is the comparative form. Dear students, now I am discussing superlative form. The superlative form is use of adjectives to show the best or worst. That means comparison between many. Example, the example is January is the coldest. Is the coldest month in Bangladesh. The coldest, I used here the. Why do I use here the? In any superlative degree, the is to be used before the superlative degree. This is superlative degree, and the, of course, you should write the. So students, you have understood the information about adjectives. Now the grammar rules. Grammar rules of adjectives. Some grammar rules. Grammar rules. Now I am discussing about the grammar rules. You know that we form comparative and superlative adjectives in this way. Number one, short adjective with one syllable. One syllable, that means one syllable. Short adjective with one syllable. For comparative, we use by adding er. The example is mild, and it will be adding er, milder. For superlative, by adding est. That means mild, milder, and mildest. One syllable. Number two, for comparative, by doubling the consonant and adding er. That means for comparative big, doubling consonant bigger. The consonant is doubling. For superlative, by doubling the consonant and adding est. That means big, bigger, and biggest. So this is adding one syllable and doubling consonant. Now the another rule is short adjectives ending with e. For comparative, nice, nicer, with e. Adjectives ending with e, that means ending with e. When we see any word ending with e, by for comparative, by adding r, that means r. For superlative, by adding st. For superlative, nice, nicer, and nicest, and this is st. Number 4, long adjectives with 2 or more syllables. Here we see 2 or more syllables. For comparative, by adding more with the adjectives, that means interesting. Interesting is a word. Interesting. In this word there are 3 syllables, so we should add here for comparative more interesting. And for superlative we add here most, more interesting, and most interesting. So for comparative we should add here more. More. Interesting is a positive form. For superlative we use more before interesting, and for superlative we use most before interesting. Students, now I am discussing about the another special rule for you. For comparing adjectives ending with y, ending with y, when you will see any word for comparative by changing y to ier, to ier, that means for comparative dirty, dirtier. For superlative by changing y to iest, that means dirty, dirtier, and dirtiest, iest, dirtiest, dirtiest. So students, at the end of this session I discussing about the special rule. This is more special for you. There are some irregular adjectives, they do not follow any grammar rule. Suppose I am giving example, goat. Goat is a adjective. Goat, better, and the superlative best. Bad, worst, the superlative worst, the superlative worst. Bad, far, further, and superlative farthest. So students, in my last rule there was no grammatical rule. In this form there are no grammatical rule because this is a special rule. Of course we should use all these words regularly. So students, today I discussed about the adjective. Now I am evaluate all the lesson for you. The adjectives, it is used before noun. So for your better communication you should use all the adjectives. I hope you will practice all this information up at your home regularly. So much for the day. See you next class. Thank you all. আলোচনা করছি কয় মিনিট হয়েছে
21 মিনিট 19 সেকেন্ড।
যা